Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna do my boring phone case into a brand new sparkler with some stickers. Duh. First, I'm gonna take the flowers. No. First, I'm gonna take this long string of diamonds into the center. Of course, I think when you put it right here, it's nice too. But I don't know. I'm gonna put it right there. Perfect. Next, let's get this other string and put it right there. No, let's put it there. And let's get the other piece because it was broken. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Yes. Not oh no. Here. Let's a little bit of this. I'm good at sizing, guys. I'm so good. Perfect. Oh. You get used to be happy. Come join the fun squad. Fun. Oh yeah, fun. Oh yeah, fun. Oh yeah, come join the fun squad. Fun. Oh yeah, fun. Oh yeah, fun. Oh yeah, come join us. Do you know what I'm saying? Comment down below. Perfect. Now, I remember you got to throw this egg away. I'm gonna get your nose, guys. A nose. I'm gonna give it. Oh. Mas gunting. Gunting pa yan. Actually, no, it is not. If I need to flatten it out. So, it will be smooth. You don't want to ruin it, so I got this. The softness will not ruin it. There. There. The soften the wood, but it doesn't work, so I need to do it. Now let's. Oh, it didn't even need. Mama, gunting nasaan? Mama, parang gunting. Ma.
Ano ba?
Gunting. center. Right there. And let's cut it right there in the middle of the diamond. So it's very. I'm good at putting. And I don't know why I am upside down, but here's the first, and I will show you in the end. Whew. So early, already bumping. The after review. It was that. Oh no. Oh, it won't stick properly. Oh. Wait. It was so fast. And this is the after review. Again, it's gonna be a quick second. There. There. Here's the after. After. Wait. Here's the upper. Let's put it. Oh. Thank you for watching this video. And don't forget, you are worth it. Bye guys.